Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll provide you introduction on cross-site scripting attack. We will discuss this topic in great details in our upcoming videos. So let's start. Cross-site scripting, which also known as XSS, it is a web security vulnerability that allows an attacker to inject malicious code and script when users have interaction with a vulnerable application. In more technical terms, cross-site scripting is a client-side code injection attack. Most popularly, it is either added to the end of the URL or posted directly onto a page that displays user-generated content. This malicious code is usually written in a client-side programming languages such as JavaScript, HTML, VBScript, Flash, etc. There are three types of cross-site scripting attack, namely reflected XSS, stored XSS, and DOM XSS. Reflected XSS are the malicious script which not saved but it reflected in website result. The next is stored XSS. As the name suggests, the script is saved on server by injecting from client side. In DOM XSS, the malicious code or script changes the DOM environment but code remains the same. Now we will discuss each type in great detail so that it will be more clear. So what is reflected XSS? So in this type of attack, attacker uses the UI controls, URLs or HTTP parameters. However, these scripts are not saved anywhere. As shown in example, login form consists of username and password field. The username and password used as a parameter at the backend to authenticate. If attacker take an advantage of this and use some malicious script and enter it in place of username, then it will inject the malicious code in the application. In this way, attacker makes the application vulnerable. The another example we can think of by sending a malicious script using a query string in the HTTP URL. This will add malicious script at the end of the URL. Stored cross-site scripting, also known as second order or persistent XSS. In this type of attack, the malicious code or script enters from the UI and saved in the application storage like database permanently. Due to this, whenever user try to access the particular functionality, it fetch the malicious script from the backend and execute it. As the script saved in application storage permanently, therefore it affects many users for a longer time. Suppose a website allows user to submit comments on blog post or allow user to submit the opinions which are displayed to other users. Users submit comments using an HTTP request and it is saving in the database. In this case, attacker will inject the malicious script from comments field and it will get permanently saved in the database. And then it will affect other users as well, as and when they tries to display the information at their end. DOM-based XSS vulnerabilities usually arise when JavaScript takes data from an attacker controllable source, such as URL, and passes it to a sink that support dynamic code execution. To deliver a DOM-based XSS attack, we need to place data into a source so that it is propagated to sink and causes execution of malicious JavaScript. With this type of attack, only DOM environment gets changed. The code remains same. Here, the request is sent to particular page which then create or modify the existing DOM element for that page. The most common source for DOM XSS is the URL, which is typically accessed with the windows.location object. Here in the example, document.cookies is sent in the URL, which will try to get all cookies associated with the document. I hope now you get a brief idea about cross-site scripting attack. With this, we end our video here. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.